Check it out, guys. I'm gonna show you how to make this best damn cheesesteak you've ever had in your life. We're gonna dice up the onions and the peppers. We're gonna dice up the shredded meat too, just to give it smaller chunks. We're gonna throw it on the flat top cast iron that's on the grill. Cook these dang good cheesesteaks right up. Oh, damn, that's good. Welcome to Toothpick Tuesday. Get you some shaved beef. We've got the provolone and we've got the white American cheddar, aged, best cheese to use on this dang good cheesesteak. Got your banana pepper, gonna dice them up. Got your bell pepper, gonna dice it up. Got the onion, gonna dice it up. Make sure you dice them all up. You don't really need big chunks because you're gonna be mixing it with the bell pepper and the banana pepper. Cut around the top of your bell pepper, pull it off, take all the guts out, shake the seeds out, get it as empty as you can. Pop the stem off around the top. Set that to the side. Go ahead and cut chunks of this out. Cut them up. I cut these in a different way than I do these just because the way they're shaped. Cut that little end off. Cut around the top. I'm gonna cut down the side of this pepper. Open it up so I can completely gut it. Go ahead and cut down the banana pepper there. I like these banana peppers because they're real mild. They're not spicy at all, but they pack a really good flavor. Now, like I said, you want to dice everything up pretty fine because you're going to be mixing it all together and in with the meat. What we're going to do with our vegetables before I throw them on the flat top grill out here, I'm gonna take the spicy Danos. Remember, low sodium, all natural, no sugar. So I can pop that trigger finger, pop all day on these Veggies. May look like a lot, but it's actually not enough. I'm just putting some dang good flavor to sit there and soak on those peppers while I show you another trick to the dang good cheesesteak. What we have here is grade A certified shaved beef. So guys, my special trick is even though it's shaved beef, I still go through and I cut it up too because you don't want to take a bite out of your cheesesteak and then all of a sudden it pulls out a big piece of meat in the middle, then you're wearing half your cheesesteak. Just go through, cut it up just like that. Make sure you get all the way through. Grab it up back into a pile, turn it sideways, and I always cut it again. Now for the meat, we're gonna make it Dano-mite. All we gotta do is grab the original, pop that trigger finger on there. You wanna get you a nice good coating, and then take it and mix it in there. Flip it in, kind of roll it in, kind of like rolling it in the middle of a donut. Just mix it up good. Take your finger, spread it out some more. Because it's low sodium, guys, we're gonna pop it again. That's just the right amount of flavor to have for this dang good cheesesteak. Got this flat top thing for the grill here. Best way to cook these dang good cheesesteaks. Turn your grill on, ignite it. We're gonna let it heat up. Take a little bit of oil, pour it on this cast iron flat top. We're gonna just let that work its way around. We're gonna let it heat up. And we're gonna throw the veggies on first. Check it out. We've got the flat top heated up. Gonna lift the top. See the oil got a nice coating on there. Take our plate of peppers. Just gonna slide them right on. You want to level them out so that way they all cook evenly. You don't want them too mushy. Add a little more oil. After a little bit, you want to kind of flip your peppers around. Flip them over, move them a little bit. Mix them in together. That way you get the perfect mixture. Don't mind if any go over, because the grill gets hungry too. I told my neighbor I'd give him a cheesesteak, so. I'm about to throw the meat on, it'll be about 10 minutes. Nobody in this world should miss out on a dang good cheesesteak. Toothpick promise. Grab your meat. We're gonna take this dang good seasoned meat, drop it right here on the hot cast iron. Go through, flatten out your meat, try to cover up some space. You might think I'm crazy, but I'm gonna pop it again. Let's flip our meat, guys. Cooking nice. I can smell that Dano's coming off of it. I bet the neighbors are hungry too. Those buns were on the table. Open them up. Set them on the top rack. Just want to get a nice little toast on them. Now it's time to mix in the peppers. Get something just to hold your mixture still. Mix all them peppers in there real nice. Portion out your sandwiches. Make sure you can tell which one's which. I'll show you why. After you've got them portioned out, lay your cheese over it. White aged cheddar and provolone. Close your lid. Let them melt.
Poetics, bring the drums
in. Take your bun, lay it on top. Slide your spatula up underneath it. Flip it over. Take your extra meat from that divided sandwich earlier, put it on. Spatula underneath, flip it on over. That is what the completed dang good cheesesteak looks like. Tell me that don't look dynamite. Out of this damn world, I tell you. So flavorful, so cheesy. Like, subscribe, follow, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. What you doing, Toothpick? Getting some sizzle audio.